Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the Millennium Mall, and straight ahead to the right, that is the Millennium Mall. It's built in Clarendon, right on the outskirts of the Maypen, the town of Maypen. There you can get a nice view of the mall on the right. We're actually going to drive through the mall so you can get a good tour of the mall. So we are on the Maypen bypass, and we're coming up to the roundabout, and then we'll enter the mall. Now this mall is what we call an epic failure. We've done videos of the mall before, and the people say give it time, so we're going to take a tour now. It's been a few months since we have done a video, and we're going to see if the mall is doing any better. Now, this mall costs billions of dollars to build. Okay, first let's talk about this. If we continue straight where that bus is going, that's the Bustamante Highway. If we go all the way back around, we go to the Maypen Town Center, and we turn this way where you go to access Highway 2000. Also, this way you can access the Mineral Heights area. Alright, so let's talk about the mall now. This mall has been built from before COVID. It's been open for a couple of years now, and it's just empty. No, it does not have a lot of traffic. 3/4 of the stores are unrented, and it was built by Sagicor. You see the Millennium Mall with the Sagicor logo. Now, I don't know what went well. I have an idea. In Jamaica, you need 3 things for a successful mall. 1, you need a supermarket, a large brand name supermarket. You need food stores, and you need to build a mall in a populated area. This mall did not follow those rules. Hence, this is the billion-dollar mall built by Sagicor, Millennium Mall. And look at it, it's empty. Empty. A few stores at the front are rented, but from this point back, they're all empty. 1 or 2 are occupied. Straight ahead, that building to the right, that's supposed to be a Sagicor bank branch, and it's empty. They have not even opened the branch. Now, when this mall was opened 3 or 4 years ago, they had no supermarket. No supermarket. No supermarket. They have one being built now, Select Grocers, but it's still not open. So clearly they did not follow in the formula. Now, you need to build a mall in a populated area. This is not a populated area. The majority of the persons, if you go into Maypen Town now, if you go into Bargain Village Mall, you cannot find parking space. The mall is full. They have, Bargain Mall has a supermarket, Value Mart. It has food stores, notably, well, we're not going to bother calling a food store name now because we're looking straight at Popeyes, but it is built in a populated area. It has a supermarket and it has food stores. This mall, okay, does not have a supermarket. It's not built in a populated area. Maybe they thought it's so big that it would, okay, over there is Select Grocers. Maybe they thought it was so big that it would just automatically have a lot of people passing through, but it doesn't. It's built right next to the highway, entrance or exit to the highway, but that just doesn't seem to bring in enough people for the mall. So we're giving you guys an update. The mall is still empty, and hopefully it will pick up soon, as everybody says. But for now, this is just an update. I mean, the mall, usually you'll be able to drive right around the mall, but you notice they have blocked off the road straight ahead with some cones, because I guess it doesn't make sense for people to see just how empty the mall is. And if we were to go inside the mall, because there are stores on the inside of the mall. This is a massive mall, massive. They're empty. So this is just an update on the mall. Hopefully when the supermarket is opened, it will bring a lot more traffic to the mall, and hopefully they'll get some more food stores. But for now, it is what it is. But when compared to the malls or the plazas in the town of Maypen, you can see clearly if this mall was built somewhere else, it would be a different story now. But as you know, maybe there's to build this size mall in the town of Maypen, I don't know if they could find any land. Actually they could on the outskirts of the town, but it was built here and it is what it is. So guys, this is the update on the mall. When the supermarket opens, we will definitely come back and make another video. But for now, okay, we're going to just spin around and show you what supermarket is going to be there and where it's going to be. Now another thing is the supermarket is going to be at the front of the mall. See, there you can see the sign, Select Grocers. Now Select Grocers have a few supermarkets in Kingston. They're part of the Progressive Foods chain, and they know about supermarkets. That's their business. They have Shoppers Fair is the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica. That's part of the Progressive Foods. Progressive Foods has 4 very large supermarkets around the island, so they know about supermarkets. I have no doubt that supermarket will do well. However, in terms of the mall, my concern is that supermarket is at the front of the mall. So when persons come to go to the supermarket, they are not going to go to the rest of the mall. They're just going to go to the front, and that's it. Oasis Plaza in Spanish Town has that same problem. They have the food stores at the front of the mall and they do extremely well. However, the stores at the back of the mall don't do as well because the traffic just comes to the front and leaves. However, okay, if we had turned right, we would have gone to the entrance of Highway 2000, and we turned left and we're heading back to the Maypen Town Centre. So that's just an update on the mall. It still hasn't picked up, and I know persons don't like it when we use the term epic failure, but it is what it is. Alright guys, so we'll keep you guys updated and hopefully things pick up for the mall. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.